Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a quick update on Tropical Storm Nicholas and where it could be heading as new information continues to come into the Forecast Center. You can see as of early this Monday afternoon, the center is now just a little bit to the east-southeast of Corpus Christi, right about in here. It is moving towards the north at a little over 10 miles per hour, so we're looking at a landfall probably somewhere a little bit to the east of Victoria, Texas here, sometime late this Monday evening, and then it looks like it'll track to the south of the ArkLaTex. Here's the very latest on Nicholas, the 1 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center showing maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour as Nicholas is moving towards the north at around 12 miles per hour. The latest forecast, again, this was issued at 10 o'clock this morning, shows the potential path of Nicholas will be west of Houston, and then it moves south of the ArkLaTex, passing very close to Toledo Bend Dam, and then very close to Alexandria, and then heading up towards Jackson. And to be honest with you, the runs of the models that have come in since are even further to the south, so we might see a little bit of a shift to the south here with the 4 o'clock advisory. Of course, we'll let you know when that advisory is issued. Still looking at the potential for some heavy rain from this system over the southern edge of the ArkLaTex. It is going to be passing close enough to bring a decent amount of rainfall. Let's take it through the next few days here with Robin Sawyer to FutureCast. And again, you can see the areas of rain that will likely decrease across the region tonight. Tomorrow, rain is looking likely, especially over the southern half of the ArkLaTex. And once you get south of Interstate 20 tomorrow, that's where the rain will be more persistent and a bit heavier. Those bands of showers and a few thunderstorms will continue tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, as what's left of Nicholas moves across central Louisiana, we should see the rain begin to break up in terms of intensity and coverage as it moves across central Louisiana. Very latest on rainfall potential. In fact, this map has not changed from what I showed you earlier. I think this is still a reasonable possibility. Most of the area, northern half of the region, less than an inch. There's that dark green area from Carthage to Shreveport to Minden, including Marshall, an inch or two possible. The heaviest rain will be over the southern edge of the area, southern half of Natchitoches and Sabine parishes. Those locations in that area of Brown could see upwards of 5 to 7 inches of rainfall, especially near the southern borders of those particular parishes. So that's where, if we're going to have any flooding concerns, that's where it's more than likely going to be an issue. Wind not expected to be too much of a concern at this point. The latest outlook from the National Hurricane Center puts our tropical storm probabilities at pretty much 10% or less across all of the ArkLaTex. So wind not going to cause any significant issues across the region. And the rain, again, will be heaviest late tomorrow night. It should begin to taper off as we go through Wednesday. So your forecast for tonight, again, the rain that we have across the area should decrease. We'll see lows kind of settle into the low to middle 70s across the area. Tomorrow the rain will increase and will be heaviest over the southern half of the ArkLaTex. And you can see those highs, low 80s south, low to middle 80s north, as all of us will see an abundant supply of clouds tomorrow, keeping temperatures down. 10-day forecast shows that once Nicholas moves away, we will continue with a chance for some scattered showers or thunderstorms Thursday and Friday, with those chances looking very low and somewhat isolated. Temperatures will warm into the upper 80s to low 90s by the end of the work week, and then we'll see perhaps a little bit of an uptick in that chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm this weekend and early next week, with a possible front making its way through the area as we look ahead to next Wednesday. You can see the cooler nighttime lows, perhaps signifying some drier air behind the front towards the end of the 10-day period. So again, still watching Tropical Storm Nicholas, maximum sustained winds at 60 miles per hour. As of right now, appears as if it'll track to the south of the ArkLaTex, with still the potential for some heavy rain over the southern edge of our area.